Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Daniel here with Reinhardt Equipment again, bringing you an awesome used machine. Remember, we're located off of 3556 Martha Berry Highway here in Rome, Georgia. Let's look at this machine real quick. This is a 2016 E50. Doesn't get much more loaded than this, guys, as far as an excavator goes. Fully enclosed cab, heat, air, keyless. This one has a hydraulic thumb. It's an absolute beast of a machine. This is rated for 49 horsepower. It's a 10,000 pound rated operating capacity machine. The max dig depth is 11 foot. So not many jobs you can't knock out with this thing. Let's hop inside and see how she runs. We're going to lift the arm here. Arm's very smooth, guys. We'll go ahead and show the camera the hydraulic thumb working. Very smooth action on this machine. Let's go ahead and drive it and see what she drives like. It's a clean machine, man. Ready to go to the work site. Go ahead and set her down. Thanks again for watching, guys. Remember, check out our homepage at www.reinhardtequipment.com for awesome new listings on used machines, and we'll see you next time.